Dad, my stomach really hurts.
When did the pain start?
It started this morning.
You feel a little warm.
Am I very sick?
I think we should see a doctor.
A doctor? At the hospital?
Yes, but I'll stay with you.
Dad, I don't want to go inside. The hospital makes me nervous.
I know you're scared, Ryan, but you're safe. And I'll stay with you.
What if they give me a shot? I really don't want one.
We don't know that yet. Let's go inside and talk to the doctor first.
I really don't like hospitals. Everything here makes me nervous.
You don't have to like it. Just stay close to me, and we'll be okay.
Okay, Dad. I'll try to be brave and walk inside.
That's all I ask. You're doing better than you think.
Dad, everything looks scary in here.
Ryan, you're okay. We're all here with you.
Mom, are they gonna give me a shot?
Not, unless the doctor says you need one.
I'm trying, Lucy. But I'm still scared.
It's okay to be scared. Just take a deep breath.
Okay. I'm ready now. I can do this. Dad, is something wrong? Why is the doctor checking again?
No, son. Everything is going to be all right.
The doctor just wants to check your stomach carefully.
Does that mean I'm very sick?
No, Ryan. They're just being careful with you.
I'm trying not to cry, Mom.
You don't have to hide your fears, sweetheart.
But I want to be brave. I don't want to give up.
Being brave means trying, even when you're scared.
Dad, am I going home now? Is everything okay?
Yes, Ryan. The doctor says you're gonna be okay.
Really? I'm okay? I was so scared.
You were scared, but you stayed strong and never gave up.
Wow! I got a bravery badge! This is amazing! I was scared of the hospital. But now, I'm not afraid anymore.